Hey there, science fiction and Western fans! We have got some exciting news to share about the future of one of the amazing Prime Video's most intriguing series, Outer Range. Brace yourselves because the possibility of a season 3 just got a whole lot more hopeful. If you have been following the mind-bending adventures of Royal Abbott and his family in the neo-Western thriller, you know that the show has been building up to some seriously mind-blowing revelations. And it seems like the show's leading man, Josh Brolin, is just as captivated by the story as we are. In a recent interview, Brolin expressed his enthusiasm for potentially returning for a third season, calling the idea amazing. Now that's a high praise coming from an actor of his caliber. He even went as far as to say that the series has gotten more intriguing the further they have gone with it. But wait, there is more. Brolin has been dropping hints about his excitement for a potential season 3 in multiple interviews during the season 2 promotional cycle. He told Variety that while he's usually not one to stick with a character for too long, Outer Range has its hook in him. And get this, he even teased some outlandish ideas that he can't wait to see on his screens if the show gets renewed. Could we be in for some wild transformations for Royal Abbott? A shaved head and a beard, perhaps? Now that's something we'd love to see. Of course, nothing is set in stone just yet. Amazon Prime Video hasn't announced any plans for a season 3, and it did take over 2 years for the show to return for its second season. But with the cliffhanger ending of season 2 and the clear passion from Brolin himself, we've got our fingers crossed. So whether you're a die-hard Outer Range fan or just looking for your next mind-bending science fiction adventure, keep your eyes peeled for any updates on a potential season 3. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates and behind the scenes scoops.